Hi guys, and welcome to Tailored Talk. So I'm getting through the Foodie Beauty videos today, and this is the obesity battling beach walk of Foodie and walking with her perfect husband. So let's take a look. It's only 10 minutes.
Hello guys, welcome to a new video on our couple channel, Salah and Chantal.
Yes, hi guys! So we are here on Fentus Beach.
She already looks exhausted and they haven't been anywhere.
We are going to do a small walk just so I can bring up my stamina. It's a bit humid, that's why I'm sweaty, but there's a cool breeze, so it's fine.
Yeah, it's just like walking in 10 minutes, you know?
Yeah, just a short walk for now.
Yeah, so enjoy with us guys. Actually guys, the weather is so windy and humid.
There's a nice cool breeze from the ocean.
Yeah, check this out guys.
The ocean is grey ASMR.
It's so nice and relaxing.
Yeah. It's pretty relaxing.
And there's no one here because it's like nighttime, so...
Whoa, look at the ship light.
Yeah, wow. I see a cat.
Oh, let's see it.
She always puts on that rat face and that voice when she sees a cat, trying to, trying to clean up her image with cats. It's never gonna happen. In fact, it makes you look worse.
See the cat.
And that cat's gone. He wants nothing to do with them. Even though the food's there, he's like, nope. Or she. She's like, nope, I'm gone.
She ran away.
Marley Hendricks did a really good video of this. Only 5 minutes, but hilarious. Yeah, she's gone. She wants to be left alone so she can eat. Or he.
There's another cat.
But it's another excuse for Foodie to stand still so she doesn't have to actually walk. And this is where Salah needs to encourage her. He needs to pull her by the bootstraps, pull her by the abaya and say, we need to keep moving. You can't stop every 5 seconds. We need to keep moving. It's the only way you're going to lose weight.
I'm having a seat because I don't have the greatest stamina.
Yeah. She's having a seat already. It has nothing to do with the cats. It has nothing to do with wanting to pet the cats. She hates cats. That's been established. She needs to sit down every 5 seconds. And Salah needs to be more stern with her. And instead of 5 second stops, let's make it 15-minute stops. He needs to be on her. If he wants her to lose weight, he needs to get tough with her.
So I have to build.
And I mean, verbally tough, not pulling her all over the place, but I just mean he needs to be verbally come on, Chantal, we need to go. You can't sit down every 1 second and expect to see changes on the scale. She just looks so pathetic. That cat and Salah want nothing to do with you. Just leave the cats alone. Let them eat in peace. Let them drink in peace. Let them go around in little packs in peace. Just leave them alone. They don't like you.
She just needs the food, babe.
Oh.
And Salah's like, get out the way. You're standing in their food.
Hi. Hello. Hello. Say hi.
Someone loves cat food. So cute.
That does look like a healthier cat than the last one we just saw.
Goodbye.
Nice beach.
So this place called Fentas Beach.
We haven't been here before, right?
Yeah, first time I bring you here, baby.
The sea breeze really helps.
Yeah, at least there's air, there's wind.
Yeah.
If there's only humid, we're gonna die.
Oh yeah. It's pretty nice for sure. Probably red and sweaty.
Yeah, exactly. How do you know that? Inshallah, you are shatra, smart.
Yeah.
Sister Minnie.
Sister Minnie.
The only type of genuine tit for tat laughter they have is when he is making fun of her and she's laughing at it. This is why people don't think that your relationship is real. When are you two actually going to have any proper conversations? Just like how each other's day was, or talking about movies, or talking about stuff that you want to do in the future, or, you know, I don't know, different stuff about Salah. Anything that Salah wants to do. How long has he been to this beach? What does he like about this beach? What is his favourite type of exercise? There's so many things that these guys could talk about, and they just talk about the same old shit.
There's small stairs there to enter the beach directly. What, you want to sit?
I'm a headache because we just ate.
Yeah, take a break.
She keeps lying. I think this was filmed on the same one as the restaurant video I'm hearing, and I'll be doing that one next. But she always claims, I've got a headache, I'm dizzy, and I think that she's lying. She's tired and she wants to stop. Instead of just saying, I'm tired, I need to sit down, it's always, I'm dizzy, I've got a headache, you know, because if she says, oh, I'm dizzy, then he has to stop. Whereas if she says, like, I just want to sit down because I'm tired and I'm fat and I'm feeling lazy, he's not going to let her stop.
Baby.
It's just, I'm dizzy, I'm tired, I think something's wrong, so I've got to sit down. Like, stop lying. I don't believe that she's dizzy. It's the same thing that she said on the beach walk, where she nearly died then. And I think she just says she's dizzy as an excuse. I don't think she's actually dizzy. Tired, yes. Exhausted, yes. But I don't think she's dizzy.
We just ate, so I have a cramp too.
Yeah,
Wow.
and you got a cramp, and you've probably got a stitch, and you've probably got a little cut in your foot or whatever. Like, there's always something. You know, your shoes have been rubbing along your ankle, and there's probably a little cut on your ankle. There's like 101 reasons why you can't walk.
Hi.
No, Foodie, you're not cute. You're not cute. Stop. Hi, you're not cute. Rat face. Hi guys. Hi, it's not cute. Whoever told you that was cute lied to you.
Hi, baby. I wish I was in shape like you.
You will be inshallah, baby, one day.
Inshallah.
Not looking at her at all. You'll be in shape, baby. Let me just brush my hair back and I fuck the camera. You'll be in shape. I believe in you. I fucking the camera.
Well,
He
definitely
never looks at Foodie.
improve my quality of life. Like, do more things, you know, tolerate the heat a bit better.
Yeah,
Glanced at her once.
of course, babe.
And she's looking at you for reassurance and you're like, yeah.
But yeah, as long as you take breaks.
Yeah, it's alright. You must take a break.
Just a small walk.
Just don't be hard on yourself. Step by step, baby.
Okay, so this bit, it's not scripted, but notice that she's like, because that's the signal that she's going to do something physical. Because she can't do anything physical without letting him know first. Because the last time she did that, she got rejected hardcore. So, let's go back.
Just a small walk.
Just don't be
But baby voice.
hard on yourself. Step by step, baby.
Okay. And how slow this lean is to let him know, I'm going to be leaning on you. I'm going to be touching you with my body. Okay, she does that for like 1/10 of a second because she knows that he's not going to like it. Okay? Then she's testing the waters. Okay, I only did that for 1/10 of a second, so you can't be mad at me. And then he's like, I'm going to have to show that I'm supportive on camera, so I'm going to bring you close to me. There we go. Okay, so count the seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then she leans back off. There's always these little physical signals. Okay. She's leaning on him. Pulls her. Taps him on the ears. Taps him on the hijab to say enough now. And then she gets off.
Let's keep walking.
There's always those physical cues. It's like, I'm gonna rest my head. I'm gonna rest my head. Okay, now I'm leaning off you now because I can't fully touch you because you don't like that. Let's go do that again.
Break.
Yeah, it's alright. You must take a break.
Just a small walk.
Just don't be hard on yourself. Step by step, baby.
Physical cue. I'm gonna lean on you. 1 second. You now see that I'm leaning on you. Now I'm going to pull back because I know you don't like me. She pulls back. He has to respond to her because it's a romantic gesture. And he has to pretend to play husband. Pulls her again. 1, 2, 3. He taps her on the hijab to let her know, get off me. There's always like this 2-second rule when it comes to Salah. I'm going to do a video about it.
Keep walking. Yalla.
Let's keep walking, baby. So that I don't have to touch you anymore. The scenes where they have to touch each other are so scripted. He will allow holding hands because they're on the beach. It's a couple thing to do. But I don't think he even likes that. But the physical contact is always scripted. When it's not scripted, she gets embarrassed. He embarrasses her.
Hello, guys.
Okay, so I think they've decided for general walks, hand holding, because that's what couples do, and they need to look good for immigration.
So nice.
Like sugar and spice.
He has no idea what she just said. He fucks himself a lot. Like 90% of the time, he never really focuses on her, ever. And you would think that he would focus on her because she's morbidly obese, but no.
Okay, let's go back.
With O2, save up to
I mean, if she falls
£500 on
over,
the Google Pixel
he's screwed.
7 Pro from under 28.
Hi, baby.
Hi. Hi. Trying not to die.
What? What?
I wish that one day they would get a cameraman to film them. Because without Salah fucking himself every 5 minutes, what would he do?
So here's the ocean, so close. Too many rocks here.
Oh right, and I think he's left Chantal. He left Foodie. He left Foodie. Wait a minute.
Okay, let's go back.
So they're walking back.
Hi, baby.
Hi. Hi. Trying not to die.
What? What?
And he's left her probably sitting down to go to the beach like he did the last time.
So here's the ocean, so close.
Yep, he's alone.
Too many rocks here. Amazing breezy. I love this vibes.
So I did not follow him down to the beach because it's a little exhausting for me to walk in the sand and I was already suffering. But also, I'm afraid of giant squid, sea monsters.
Foodie, just admit that you just leave it at that. You didn't want to walk back to the beach. You were exhausted. Nothing with this giant squid, sore jaws, the thing, like
I have an actual fear
these excuses
of the ocean, especially at nights.
Sure, that's why you go to the beach at night all the time.
Hello guys.
This could have been edited out. This is so dull. Back to Foodie, who's sitting there like a lost grandmother. This is so sad. Oh my god, this is sad.
Hello.
Oh my god, and she's just sitting there waiting for him. God, this is what your life is, Foodie. From travelling all from state to state with your car, from going everywhere and going to see family and driving everywhere, even driving to the States for food, to this. Just sitting on a beach, waiting for your boyfriend because you can't walk anywhere. Oh my god. Dressed to the nines in an abaya that you don't want, a hijab that you don't need. Oh my god, she looks so old.
You take a break or what?
Yeah.
And so tired. Why does she look 60 here?
My back was hurting.
Oh,
Yeah, of course.
that's sad to hear.
Yeah. Did you show them all the beach?
Yes.
Yeah, which is your job, really, Foodie. You are the vlogger. This is your channel.
Okay.
You know, guys, we like to come here at the night time.
How sad. I'd feel sorry for her if she wasn't Foodie. But this is so pathetic. Salah is the one having to take charge of your vlogs because you're too unhealthy to do a vlog.
Because, at the daytime in the summer of Kuwait here, it's too hot and humid. Imagine that, like a humid plus heat.
She just looks so unhappy. See, this is why people say that you're not happy, Foodie. This is why people say that you need to go back to Canada because of your face. Do you look like somebody that's happy and in love on the beach?
It will be total awful actually. So we choose the night time, will be more cooler and good weather.
Is she happy? Does she look happy here?
Exactly. It's very, very humid. It's nothing like I've ever experienced, so it takes some adapting, so.
There's so much stuff she could have edited out, but of course she needs the 8 minutes ad roll. God, if she just condensed these down, she's got so much footage that she could use to make it exciting, but over the 8 minutes, and she just chooses not to do it because she's so goddamn lazy.
Okay, babe. So how about we head out to the car?
Sounds good to me. Let's go home.
Yeah, enough because just now we ate, guys. So yeah, enough exercises today and walking.
Yes.
All right, guys, it's time.
Is she happy? Does this look like a woman that's happy and in love, guys? She's so done.
To go home.
Yalla, let's go.
Yalla, let's go.
Can't wait to miss Julia.
Can't wait to go. I miss the cat.
Julia.
She is so done.
Home.
Yalla, let's go. Can't wait
Yalla, let's go.
to miss Julia.
That was the lowest, most depressing yalla I've ever heard from her. She looks so pissed off, so exhausted, that she's so annoyed at Salah that she's even had to come down here.
Julia.
And it's really old. Like, the bags are fat under her eyes. And the way that she looks like his really exhausted mother. It's really sad.
Alright, guys, so catch you in
She wouldn't look like that if she'd actually got a proper wig.
another video.
Bye, guys. Thanks for coming along.
Bye. Yalla.
مع السلامة everyone.
Bye, Beezers.
Make your videos stand.
Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. She looked exhausted, and in my opinion, she never really wanted to go. But it was probably Salah's idea. She just looks really stressed out, pissed off, and probably regrets Kuwait and wants to be back in Canada, which she can always go at any time. That's the end of the vid, guys. Thank you for watching. Thanks for listening.